Hi, this is Jeremy with The Window Experts, and I want to show you how a slider can show water building up in the track and why. So when it rains, there's different tracks on a slider so that they can operate away from each other, being a side slider. So when it rains, this track will fill up because it's just wide open. That water will go over to the corner, it goes down, and it comes out of the weep hole like it should. That's the design. When rain hits this side, even though there's weather stripping and stuff, water still gets down in there, especially in a hard rain. And the water will sit on top of this track, and that is the design. It goes around that track, and when it starts filling up quickly, it goes to the corner and down, and it comes out of that same weep hole. It's operating properly. It's exiting like it should. So if the water ever starts building up to the point where it's coming over the window down into the house, then there is a problem, and we have a video on how to check out the weep holes. So please watch that. Thanks for watching this video. If there's any other questions that you have that I didn't answer on this, please reach out to us and let us know.